I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah.
Hey guys, good morning. My name is Lizzie. I make the occasional YouTube video. I'm gonna start off the vlog on this beautiful Saturday morning. I am actually going to the gym and I will take you guys along with my weekend. Are you surprised? It's another weekend in my life. You guys, I have the gym to myself. Nobody is here. This is the best. I think I might hit the bike a little bit. Just finished that workout and it felt really good. So I'm back from the gym, obviously. This is not the gym. I'm gonna shower now and kind of get ready for the day. Brian and I were gonna go to Denver and do a little bit of shopping. So I bought these sunglasses like a year ago and the lens popped out and one of the little screws came out too. So I'm gonna take them back to Nordstrom and see if they can fix them maybe. I'm really hoping they can because these are like such great Kris Jenner off sunglasses that I really want them for summer. Like I wanna wear them today, but obviously the state that they're in, I can't. Okay, so this is a really unnecessary way of me showing my outfit because I do have a full length mirror, but this is my outfit. My shirt is from Free People. It's kind of just like a flowy shirt. And then these shorts are from Heartloom. We are gonna head to the mall here pretty soon. I'm very excited. Haven't been to this mall in like a year or two, and it's a really good mall. If you're ever in Denver, go to Cherry Creek Mall. It's really good. Here we go. Like it's cool in theory.
Ryan, it's
We just got back from the mall. I'll show you guys a haul in a little bit, but that mall is giant. We probably walked like over a mile just around the mall. So I'm gonna take a little break and just hang out for a minute and then I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, I'm back. As promised, I'm coming to you with a little haul from the Cherry Creek Mall. I only got 3 things, but I love every single piece that I got so much. So yeah, let's start off with Free People. I love this little bag that they give you. Like it's just so cute. Like I want to put fruit in it or something. I first saw this shirt on Michelle Reed. She's a YouTuber out of Texas and I like her videos a lot. But it was so cute. So I actually looked online for it. This is it. So it's like mesh on the top, kind of like a mesh turtleneck sort of deal. And then like a tube top, stretchy. I'll do a try on clip for you guys too, but this was so cute. It was $48 plus tax. I like to say the price of things. I don't know, I'm like very aware of money, I guess. Well, not really. Not if you count today. It's just like kind of unique. Like I don't have anything like this. So first purchase. Well, actually, technically it's the second purchase, but I mean, you weren't there. I got this little workout top and I haven't actually tried this on yet, so I'm a little worried that it won't fit, but it has a built-in bra, just like a cute color. I've been really drawn to this color. This is kind of an impulse purchase. I wasn't expecting to buy this, or I didn't even know about this before, but I went to Finish Line and I got these shoes. Like, these are so cool. Are you kidding me? These are the coolest shoes I've ever owned. Do you see that? These are awesome. I love the detail. I love the green on the bottom. I love this little pattern thing. Let me get the box. I'll tell you what kind they are. They're DMSX's, Nike. Never heard of it before. Don't know a lot about shoes, but I just thought they were really sick. And they have this little thingy on the background. Oh, I'm gonna wear these tonight. Okay, I did a slight outfit change. So I put this new shirt on and I'm wearing the same shorts, and then I'm wearing, wearing the same shorts, and then I'm wearing my new shoes. And the answer is yes, when I buy things, I do like to immediately wear them. So, in case you were wondering. About to head to dinner. Yeah, dinner. Music stops. That was so good. Sorry if the footage is a little dark. I think I'm gonna end off the vlog for tonight, and I will pick up again tomorrow. We're just gonna chill and like watch The Big Bang Theory. And you guys don't need more footage of me just watching The Big Bang Theory. You might get it anyways. We'll see what happens. Probably gonna go outside. Might go frothing. There could be a dog. But yeah, I'm pretty tired, so I am gonna chill. Morning guys, I already got ready because I am headed into Denver to go to brunch with some friends, and then Brian and a friend of his are gonna do some disc golfing, or frothing as I like to call it. But yeah, it should be a fun day. It's really beautiful outside, super sunny, and I'm excited. Let's get to Denver because I need to find parking and I always suck at that. So I think I'm here. I hope I'm here. My friends are running late. So I am gonna go explore and find this restaurant and hopefully get us a table. We'll see.
Hey, will one of you just tag me? Oh my god.
We all got the same thing. Yeah, you kind of did.
I have to commit now.
Yay.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're...
So I'm back from my little morning excursion. Went and got some brunch and went frothing afterwards with one of Brian's friends and his very cute dog. I stepped in the mud. Yeah, it's a little embarrassing, but I mean, it happened. I had to wash my feet off when I got home, and I just changed into like cozy clothes. My house is kind of a mess, so I think I'm gonna clean, but I'm gonna chill for a little bit. It's only like 2 o'clock right now, so I feel like I accomplished a lot, even though I really just ate food, drank mimosas, and played a little bit of froth very badly, I might add. Actually, no, I wasn't that bad, so I'm a little proud of myself. But it's a beautiful day. So, I mean, we'll see what else we get into this weekend. I don't imagine I'm gonna be doing a lot tonight. Guys, I'm literally just here. I'm not planning on moving anytime soon. I'm just gonna hang out and watch some YouTube. Ayo. Gonna make this frozen pizza. DiGiorno, hand tossed, very fancy. Put some clothes away, and now I'm gonna eat pizza. We got the za. It actually looks pretty good. DiGiorno kind of slaps. A meal of champions with a very squished Powerade. Making a new channel banner. Yeah, just not feeling the purple anymore. But I've been loving this color lately, so I think I'm gonna add some more text down there. And if you're wondering, my iPad is so cracked, I had to tape it. It's gonna be on my channel probably when you are watching this video. So I've just been chilling, watching some South Park, but I got a package, so I'm gonna go pick that up. We went to go get the package, but there was an Amazon driver in there like loading up the packages, and neither one of us knew what to do, so now we're cowering. Got weird vibes from the mailman, but I did get some random things. I got my Curology. I actually stopped for a month and then I started breaking out, and I was wondering like, oh, why am I breaking out? But this is the only constant thing that I've changed within my skincare routine, so I'm guessing this will fix the problem. But I got these nail stickers, which was so unnecessary. I don't know why. Oh, there's a bunch. Holy crap. They're pretty cute. There's a bunch here. And they were only like $12 and they're just all little stars. I sort of have a thing for stars and like moons. That's why like all my jewelry is stars and moons. I don't know, probably no one has noticed that. Oh, you know, just me, a girl who stepped in a pond today while frothing, cleaning off her shoes. I mean, Birkenstocks are pretty indestructible though, but they probably needed a good little clean anyways. Yeah, so we're making these cheesy portobello mushroom cups over spaghetti with crispy breadcrumbs. I feel like these are perfectly done. Like, look at that cheese. Looks really good. And magically, it's the next day. I forgot to film an outro, so I thought I would hop on here real quick. I just got off work. It's Monday now. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making this one and just had a really awesome weekend. I feel like things are starting to open up again, and I actually got my vaccine today. My arm is feeling it. Look out for my next video. I'm gonna be doing like a work week in my life in Denver. So I do work remote 2 days, but the next 3 days I'll be going into the office in Denver, so I'll take you guys along with that journey, so make sure to check out the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the comments, hit the like button. You know, I love reading your guys' comments. It honestly makes my day when they pop up, and I always respond to every single comment because it's just like so cool. You guys are writing me a personal little message and I love it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!